It's Cinco de Mayo, and what better way to celebrate but to taste the flavors of Mexico in fine cooking? We found a cooking school in Pleasanton, Pans on Fire, that could teach us how to cook some of these savory dishes. It sounded good, so we put on our aprons, rolled up our sleeves, and got ready to cook. First, we made a guacamole, then the famous pico de gallo.
Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. You can talk to people while you're cooking, which is a very nice thing.
After that, it was a delicious chicken bake that was so simple to make. We did all this in an hour and a half. This is what they call the express lunch, Cinco de Mayo. So how did the food taste?
That's really good. What did you learn in today's class?
Well, I learned how to cut things properly. The dicing and everything was really wonderful. And I learned the difference between Mexican oregano and regular oregano, which I didn't know before. It was very, very interesting, and everything is very tasty.
Pans on Fire offers an array of cooking classes.
We do a lot of ethnic classes, Asian, Italian, Mexico. We're also doing a lot of regional cuisine here in the United States. For instance, we have a class coming up on a night in New Orleans, focusing on New Orleans cuisine.
After class, students could then shop in their gourmet cookware store and buy the tools to make this meal for family and friends at home.
There's no better way to celebrate getting together with family and friends than with fine food. And today we are experiencing the flavors of Mexico. Happy Cinco de Mayo! In Pleasanton, Diane Wagner with the Ohlone Network News.